my YouTube channel. So in today's video, it is a vanity tour. I had posted on Instagram stories that I was cleaning out my vanity and actually did a poll if you guys would be interested in seeing a vanity tour, and majority of you guys said yes. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you guys what my vanity looks like, stuff that I have in my vanity. So before we get into the tour, I do want to talk about the actual vanity that I have here and then my drawer. The vanity I got it from IKEA, and I also got the drawers from IKEA as well. I believe I paid less than $100. I feel like this vanity and these drawers are like perfect for someone who's just barely starting and they want something kind of small. But I do have a really big makeup collection, and I feel like I will probably need a bigger storage soon. And I also did want to mention that you'll see on here I have like a marble kind of look on top of the desk. It is actually a peel off stick from Lowe's. I'm pretty sure you can buy it on Amazon. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this tour. Okay guys, so this is my little drawer set that I got from IKEA. It is a 4-drawer piece set. It's not too big. I feel like this would be a perfect size for anyone who is wanting to really starting out. This would be a perfect drawer for you guys. So on top of the drawer, we have these little acrylics that I got actually from the Dollar Tree. They were only $1, and I was like, I'm getting it because I have so many lipsticks and so many like lip balms and chapsticks and stuff. So this little one, I have all of my Pixies, and then I have all of these other lipsticks. We have Urban Decay, MAC, the Too Faced lip injection that I'm scared to use because it tingles my lips and I'm scared. Then we have some ColourPop lipsticks here, and then some Anastasia's. And then we have my little gradual tanning lotion from Soul Body, and then of course my lotion for my hands because my hands get dry all the time. Over here we have some lip balms and some chapsticks. I love my Mario lip balm. It's such a freaking good lip balm. And then of course we have my Kapari, and then back here are the Fenties. I kind of want to put them like on an actual shelf because they're just such pretty packaging, but I will figure that out soon. We also have some Kush lip balm here, some Aquaphor with SPF in it, and then we have Sun Balm. This one is literally my favorite chapstick. It's the Bliss Tech. I have this cute little mug from, actually I don't remember where this is from. I decided to store all of my lipsticks. So these are pretty much all of my lipsticks here, ranging from Maybelline to ColourPop, Morphe. We have some Alamad Cosmetics. This one is literally my favorite lip gloss. I do have some of my skincare tools, and then also this body lotion, and then this is all my jewelry and random stuff there. This is what the peel stick looks like too. You literally just peel it off and it sticks right to the surface. It's really easy. Okay, so onto this first drawer here, I have some glitters. I have some liquid glitters here from Pixie, some Too Faced, Stila. I have some ColourPop Super Shock shadows, and then I have just some glitters back here, like some jewels that I got from Target. Then I have my little sharpener that I need to get a new one. And then what is this? Trash. And then I have this adhesive tape that I have no idea why I got that for. My eyelash curler, my Suave Beauty liner and scrunchie. This one's really good. Milk Makeup stamp. This is the star one. I really like this one. And then some random lipsticks that I don't want to get rid of because I feel like I can do a look with these. And then I have on the side just basically my like stencils and stuff. Like I got my fake blood there whenever I was doing Halloween looks. I have some jewels. So basically just like crafty stuff on this side. And then for the second drawer I have is going to be all of my eyelashes. So I have my Lily lashes. I love my Lily lashes. I have some Morphe, some Layaway Studio lashes. These actually are really nice. You can get them at Shop Miss A. And these lashes are probably about like $2–3, but they are so good. Ardell lashes back here. And then I have my blushes. These are all my blushes back here, and then I have my highlighters on this side. So I have blushes ranging from Milani, ColourPop, Morphe. I just got this new one from So Susan Cosmetics. It's really pretty. And then I have some highlighters. Betsy Beauty, you already know. So gorgeous. Whoa. My Anastasia highlighter. This is literally my favorite highlighter ever. My Wet n Wild that I probably should get rid of. I've had it for like years, but it's just my favorite one. Then I have some Pixies back there. And onto my third drawer I have is my foundation, my face powders, and my bronzers, and also my loose powders. I think I want to say I got these at Target, and I think they came in a 3 or 4 pack. And I have all of my foundations in here. So, and then these are just concealers, but I like to use them as foundation. The Too Faced concealers. Back here I have some restock, so I have some extras back here that I need to use. Then I have some face powders, some loose powders. Laura Mercier, love it. Maybelline, I love that one. ColourPop No Filter powders. I got medium, dark, and light. I like to use that for face powder. I love using that one actually. Then I have all of my bronzers. I have Physicians Formula, some e.l.f., some Kylie, whoops, some Too Faced, BH, which I really don't use that one anymore. And then I have the NARS Laguna bronzer. Love these bronzers. And the last drawer, it's a pretty big one. I used to have all my skincare in here, but this is basically where I keep all of my like my cotton rounds, my Q-tips, basically just my storage down here. So if like I want to travel somewhere, I can just grab it and go. So this here is my little rolling cart that I actually got from Michaels. On this top shelf I have all of my setting sprays, my makeup cleansers, I have some castor oil here, I have my sponges which are really dirty and I need to clean them. And then I have my brushes here. They're also dirty as well. So down here, this is basically my skincare slash hair care shelf. So I have all of my makeup wipes back here, my Clinique. And then I have some face masks here, little like samples. And I have some of my Pixie stuff, restock of some sunscreen, which I really love this sunscreen. I have back here, all right around this corner, is all of my hair care products. So I like to keep them there because I usually do my hair at my vanity. The very last one, you really can't see it, but this is basically my storage shelf. I keep all of my hair accessories here. I got my tanning stuff. I have some more like electronics setup. And then these brushes here, these are dirty brushes, so those I need to clean. So this is basically just a storage shelf. I use this as storage. Moving on to my wall, this is actually one of my favorite parts of my vanity, is this back wall because it's just so nice. I got these from Five Below. They were only $5. I got this here, this shelf from Target. It came with, I believe it's like a 6-piece. One up here, I have basically my hair scrunchies, my hair clips, some hand sanitizer. Got my Bum Bum body cream, some Soul body back here. It's a little dirty. Body lotion from Lancome. It came with a kit. And then this cute little Tatcha Dewy skin cream. It's so cute. There's nothing in here, but I just really like it because it's just so cute. I keep it for decoration. And then moving on to the shelf, I have all of my fragrances up here. So I have some Burberry, some Lancome. These two are from Avon. I love this one from Avon. Then we have some Good Chemistry. This one is literally my favorite. This is actually from Target, and I really like the way this one smells. And then of course we have some Kim fragrance, but this is actually the Chloe fragrance, I believe. I love this one. Out of the 3, this one was my favorite, and I'm pretty sure it was everyone's because it was always sold out. I have some little mini ones. This is Clinique, and then this is the Bon Bon one. I like the little ones so I can keep in my purse. And then on this one, it's another skincare shelf. I have the Australian clay mask. I really like this one. It works really well. I just got this from Sephora. It's the Drunk Elephant polypeptide. cream and their cleanser. I haven't tried it out yet. I'm really excited to try out Drunk Elephant. I have some Kate Somerville cleanser that I haven't tried out yet. I just have it here for show. And then this all back here is all of my Pixie. And then down here is basically just like my little minis, like samples and stuff. Little masks back here, some Kiehl's. I have some Mario Badescu. I have some Ulla Henriksen. Got this at Sephora for using my points. And then this little jar is literally just samples of different kinds of skincare. Okay, so moving on to my actual vanity. So this here I have is all of my palettes, all of my big palettes. I have some Tarte, ColourPop, my Alamod Cosmetics palette. All of my Morphe palettes are back here. I have some Carity, and then I have the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette, and then this one, we all know this is the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. Actually, my boyfriend got me this, and it's been like years since he bought this for me, and I keep it because it's, you know, it's like sentimental to me. So, you know, he bought it for me and it was like 50 bucks. I think we were like dating not even like a year, but yeah, it used to be like my go-to. Okay, so moving on to this little corner here. Oh, by the way, this right here is actually from my mom. I got it like a long time ago whenever I lived with her. I believe it was either from Ross or Marshall's. I got this little clear container here. I actually like really using clear containers so I can see like what's inside. But on top of here, I have basically like all of my go-tos. Some Philosophy, this one's actually really good. It's a really amazing moisturizer. I have some vitamin C from Mario Badescu that I actually really like. Some Ulla Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, the gel cream. I have some Bliss back here. And then I have my favorite lip sleeping mask, the Laneige sleeping mask. It is so good. I have my Kapari deodorant back here. And then I have these two samples from Kiehl's. It is their cannabis oil and then the midnight oil to try out. Also, I have my Clinique All About Eyes. I really like this. It's so good, so moisturizing. And then I have one of my favorite sunscreens. This is from La Roche-Posay. It is the SPF 60. I really like using this one. It works amazing. Then for the drawers, the first drawer is all of my brow products. So I have all of my eyebrow stuff in here, ranging from Anastasia, ColourPop. We got some Milk Kush Brow Gel. We have some Morphe Gel Brow Cream here. Some Benefit. And then this second one is basically all of my little mini eyeshadows. So I have this one from So Susan that I just got from them. I have this ColourPop single eyeshadow. I got my Fenty number 3, and then my Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette, and then this little Flush Eye Cheek and Gloss. I actually really like this if I want to do like a little glossy look. And then this last one I have is all of my lip stuff. So I have all of my lip gloss. Well, actually this was supposed to be just like my lip liners, but that cup that you saw was too full, so I have literally all of like the small ones like this. They're over here. My lip liners from ColourPop to Morphe, and then I have some NYX, this lip injection again that I probably won't use because I'm scared. And then over here I have another skin section. On here in front of here is basically new products that I'm trying out. So I have this from Clarins. It's their moisturizing eye mask. I actually really like this one. And this Peter Thomas Roth gel mask that I really like. So I love that one. I'm probably gonna have to just end up buying one, you know. The Pixie Hydrating Milky Serum that I really like using. This Kate Somerville acne treatment. I have some Milk Makeup, Dermalogica. And then I have my Garnier micellar water with some little cotton pads back there. On to the last little corner of my vanity. I have another little section of skincare products. Again, this is from my mom. I'd gotten a long time ago. But I have so much skincare. I have some Milk Hydro Primer, some of the Ordinary Niacinamide Serum. I have this Derma E Acne Control Serum. This stuff actually works really well if you're trying to get rid of some acne. I love using this. It has 0.5% salicylic acid. It's not the strongest concentrate, but I still like using it. It does a really good job on getting rid of acne overnight. I have this Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Primer that I really like using, and some Too Faced primer, my favorite. This acrylic is from, again, either Marshalls or Ross. So the first drawer I have is basically all of my concealers. So concealers and eye primers. So my Anastasia eye primer, Milani. I have my Tarte. Ooh, she nasty. And then I have this El Maquillage concealer that I wanted to give away. This Morphe primer, love. The second one I have is all of my mascaras. There's not really that much. I had way more, but I got rid of so much stuff before I filmed this video. But this is my Laura Mercier mascara. Love this one. This one's literally my favorite. I have some Clinique mascara, some ColourPop, Smashbox, Urban Decay, Too Faced, and the Milk Kush mascara. And then this last one is going to be my eyeliners. I got rid of a lot of eyeliners, but I still have quite a few left. I have this Morphe one that they just sent me. I'm going to try out pretty soon. I have some NYX, some Fenty. I have Pixie gel liner, which I actually really like this one. It's very pigmented. I have some Urban Decay. And then I got this House of Laboratories from Lady Gaga. This eyeliner is so freaking good. I love it. We have some LA Girl neon liners. I really like using these. Okay, and last but not least is this little section here that goes right here next to my acrylic. This is basically all of my palettes, like highlighter palettes, bronzing palettes, blush palettes. I have my Morphe. This is the highlighting palette. Some Tarte, another Morphe one, Anastasia, and then I have my two favorite ones. This is from Alamod Cosmetics. It's their bronzing trio, and then her blush, which is just so gorgeous. Look at that. Alright guys, so that was the vanity tour. I'm pretty sure that was literally all over the place, but because I filmed it in the dark, it was already dark time. I only filmed it with my ring light, so I am sorry if this video is all over the place. And then my camera kept saying that it was too hot, so yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tour of my vanity. I did do quite a lot of cleaning up, so I got rid of quite a few stuff that was expired, stuff that I kept for years. So I got rid of a lot of stuff. It's looking pretty empty, but it's not empty. I just ordered a few more things from Ulta Beauty and Sephora. If you guys are wanting to see a haul on that stuff, then let me know in the comments. By the way, I did forget to mention my ring light. My ring light is from Amazon. I think it was like 80 bucks. That does conclude this little vanity tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty all over the place. But don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.